I'm Takashi. My father built Canon film cameras. Now I build digital dreams. Welcome to Canon Craftsmanship. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
I think this new lens design will give us the edge.
If this works, we can finally compete.
Behold, the Canon Flex, a new standard in photography.
MP CMOS sensor.
The digital future arrives.
Digital professional photography for everyone.
Person fangsiu da panjat ni kasuan. Man kan unjek tinandik secair. Unjek deklik shani ketan das fuga. Kanji tinankan these are Any traces the leading lock points right into the King block coordinate.
Okay, let's test the autofocus tracking on different subjects. Person, animal, and vehicle. Looks good.
Tested to 500,000 actuations. Durability built into every component. Lights. Mirror mechanism assembly under magnification. Mirror alignment to micron precision. Return speed optimization.
Electronic contacts between lens and body communicating at high speed. Aperture commands, distance information, image. Introducing our latest electronic viewfinder panel, featuring a stunning 5.76 million dot OLED display.
We have a major problem. These dust spots are a disaster. Our reputation is on the line. We tried that script shooting. Coatings, everything. Then engineers suggested ultrasonic vibration.
We added tiny shock absorbers to mirror mechanism. Sounds simple now. Took 6 months finding material.
Canon added AF micro adjustment. FSIT users could tune each lens perfectly. Problem became competitive advantage. Other brands didn't offer this.
4K video generates incredible heat. Small mirrorless body has nowhere for heat to go. Temperature climbs, processor throttles, recording stops, disaster for videographers.
CMOS sensors read line by line, not all at once. Fast movement during readout creates distortion.
We tripled sensor readout speed through parallel processing. Rolling shutter still exists technically, but happens so fast you never see it.
Mirrorless battery life half of DSLR. Canon's power management got intelligent. Camera learned your shooting patterns, conserved power during idle moments. Battery life doubled through pure software. We had choice, force professionals to rebuy lenses or create perfect adapter. Wrong choice kills mirrorless system before it starts. Canon's adapter isn't compromise, it's continuation. Your 20-year-old lens works perfectly on the newest body. That's customer respect. Every Canon camera passing through comprehensive testing, sensor pixel verification, autofocus accuracy testing, image quality validation.
Đểมีเลขสกิปให้ปุ๊บดับงานก่อนนั่นเองจะเองทำอะไรกันบางทีทางไปดูทำเองนะครับผมรู้สึกว่าตัวเองตุ่มตัวเองซะ
Canon cameras adapted for surgical microscopy, ophthalmic imaging using Canon sensors, dental photography.
Canon Research Lab developing next-generation imaging, computational photography AI.
My grandfather, then my father, and now me. Canon is more than a company to us. It's a family tradition.
Hey, check this out. This customer sent in a photo they took with one of the cameras we built.
Wow, that's incredible. The colors are so vibrant.
Okay, now gently tighten that screw, just enough.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. You see how it aligns now?
There's a problem with the alignment on Unit 7.
Show me. We need to isolate it quickly.
Okay, I think this adjustment here could really speed things up.
That's a clever idea. Let's run the numbers.
It works. We're seeing a definite improvement.
Let's look at this part of the schematic.
What if we adjust the calibration here?
That's a good point. Let's explore that.
You got it. See, that wasn't so bad.
Thanks. I was so nervous.
Okay, try it now.
Yes. That's it. We nailed it.
Three generations, one mission. What's your favorite photo? Comment and subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Next, Nikon's legendary manufacturing revealed. Then, Sony's full-frame sensor secrets.